All right, YouTube, what's up? Mr. Eddie Barber. I'm back with another one. Today, I had to do the Babyliss RoseFX. I got the trimmers and I got the clippers. So we're gonna get into this today. I'm also gonna use the Slimlines, the Slimline Pro LIs, and the Wahl Retro T-Cuts. We're gonna do a little bit of a shootout, and I got some footage of me using this, and I'll leave you to decide what you think, and I'll give you my opinions at the end.
Okay, let's start with the trimmer. The only con, in my opinion, is they don't cut close enough, even when they're zero gapped. Although zero gapping was easy, the blade snaps right off. I did it totally wrong the first time, and it's an absolute nightmare if you take it apart. So that would be probably on the other side of the con there. But I really don't have too many cons on that trimmer. Good battery life. They feel great in the hand. And even though they don't cut that close, like when you're doing designs with it and stuff, they just beast through the hair. So I really like working with them. All in all, I think it's a great, usable trimmer. I think it's a good alternative. And I just did a little one-tap test here for all of them. So I wanted to do sort of like a shootout. And I realized I didn't use some of the other trimmers you're going to see in this video on the design. I have worked with those other trimmers for years and years. So you're just going to have to rely on my opinion for that. The only two that I was really shooting out for myself was the Wahl Retro T-Cut against the new RoseFX. But as you can see, when I went through and I did these lines with each one of them, I'm just trying to do a one-tap line. I'm not trying to do too much. I just want to see how clean they are with just one little tap, which actually required a little bit of self-control because I usually, touch it down. But as you can see with the Rose Gold FX, I mean, I'm just able to beast through this hair pretty quickly with this design, and it doesn't slow down. It's able to handle a lot of hair, and it's able to cut it pretty quick. So that was a bonus. Now, let's get into the clipper. With the Babyliss FX clipper, I was working with the original Babyliss blade that they sent, and I thought it was terrible. It didn't cut close enough. I missed so many hairs. I was actually trying to cut the top of somebody's hair with the number 2, and I was just going over and over and over again. And I really struggled with that. And then I decided that I would add the Wahl blade to it. And once I added the Wahl blade, only the comb blade, I left the cutting blade that the Babyliss company sends, and all I did was put the comb blade for the Wahl. Once I did that, it got a lot better. I was able to fade. It was clean, and it just, it was nice. It was nice to work with. However, I realized it really can't compete with my fast feed, and until something can actually beat them and bring something new to the table, the fast feed with the ceramic is going nowhere. So it won't be a clipper that I'll be using in the shop regularly. And the plugs on both of these, the trimmer and the clipper, it's a pain. Like, if you have a dock, it makes all the difference in the world. I can't be fishing around my station, plugging things in all day. I got a lot on my station. With no dock, it just adds to the mess. And I don't need any more confusion on my station. I found the half guard that Babyliss sent me to be sort of off. It wasn't accurate to the actual wall guard, and I really struggled with my fades until I realized that. Once I put the wall guard on there, I actually was able to get the fades clean without struggling too much, and I didn't have to do too much wrist flipping. And all in all, I'd say I actually sort of struggled with this clipper to fade with it a lot more than I would have with my fast feed. And, like I said, that blade that came with it, it's not going to allow you to get those harsh skin fades out. It's not going to get them skin lines out. Now, on to the other side of things is the Babyliss warranty states that you have a 1-year replacement/repair. I know they don't repair. They're made in China, and I don't expect them to last long based on my other experiences. I've had other clippers I've had problems with. I found customer service to be hot and cold. I'd recommend anybody with issues to call multiple times till you get the right person. I mean, I've called like 3 times in one day, got different answers every time, and just kept calling until I got the answer I wanted. So I found their customer service to be terrible. They don't really stand behind their product, and I'm not a big fan, as you can probably tell. But I constantly try to give them a new chance over and over again. And I think some of the improvements they made to this clipper, other than it being cordless, which is obviously a great improvement, is I was able to do 6 haircuts with the clipper before it died. They look awesome. They feel great in the hand. Okay, I got an announcement to make. I'm going to be giving these away. Yes, the clippers and the trimmers, 2 separate giveaways. I will announce the details in my next video, so you're going to want to hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and you're going to want to hit that notification bell. Until then, thanks for watching, thanks for listening, thanks for the support, and I'll see you in the next video.